Hi friends, this is your A Nurser. Today I have come up with a new lesson on single word substitution. In each of the following questions, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentence. Let me repeat. In each of the following questions, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentences. Here is your first question. To cause troops, etc., to spread out in a readiness for battle. Let me repeat. To cause troops, etc., to spread out in readiness. Here are your four options. A. Align. B. Collocate. C. Deploy. D. Disperse. Let me repeat. A. Align. B. Collocate. C. Deploy. D. Disperse. Now let us try to understand the meaning of the four given words. Align. एक पंक्ति में करना. The meaning of align is एक पंक्ति में करना. Collocate. Collocate का meaning एक क्रम में रखना. The meaning of collocate is एक क्रम में रखना. Deploy. Deploy का meaning तैनात करना. Deploy का meaning तैनात करना. Disperse. Disperse का meaning फैलाना. So the right answer for the above question is option C, deploy. Deploy means to cause troops, etc., to spread out in readiness for battle. Here is your next question. One who forcibly seizes control of a bus or an aircraft. One who forcibly seizes control of a bus or an aircraft. Here are your four options. A. Pirate. B. Swindler. C. Hijacker. D. Pilferer. Let me repeat. A. Pirate. B. Swindler. C. Hijacker. D. Pilferer. Now let us try to understand the meaning of all the four words. Pirate, samudri डाकू. Swindler, ठग. Hijacker, जबरदस्ती से किसी वाहन को ले जाना. Pilferer, चोर. So the right answer for the above question is option C, hijacker. Hijacker means one who forcibly seizes control of a bus or an aircraft. Now, this is your next question. The act of killing one's wife. Let me repeat. The act of killing one's wife. Here are four options. A. Genocide. B. Uxoricide. C. Canicide. D. Avicide. Let me repeat. A. Genocide. B. Uxoricide. C. Canicide. D. Avicide. Now let us try to understand the meanings of the above four words. Genocide, नरसंहार. इक्सोरिसाइड, जो अपना पत्नी का वध करता हो. कैनिसाइड, कुत्ते की हत्यारा. एविसाइड, कुछ दवा रख के पक्षियों को नाश करने वाला, नाश करना, पक्षीनाश. So now the right answer for the above question is option B, uxoricide, the act of killing one's wife. Now This is your next question. A government by the nobles. A government by the nobles. Your four options are A. Democracy, B. Bureaucracy, C. Autocracy, D. Aristocracy. Let me repeat. A. Democracy, B. Bureaucracy, C. Autocracy, D. Aristocracy. Now let us try to understand the meanings of the above four words. Democracy. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब जनतंत्र. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब जनतंत्र. ब्यूरोक्रेसी का मतलब नौकरशाही. ब्यूरोक्रेसी का मतलब नौकरशाही. ऑटोक्रेसी का मतलब निरंकुशता. ऑटोक्रेसी का मतलब निरंकुशता. एरिस्टोक्रेसी का मतलब शिष्टजन. शिष्टजन से पालन करना. So the right choice for the above question is autocracy. Autocracy का मतलब क्या है? A form of government in which power is held by the nobility. माने उच्च कुलीन वंश पारंपर्य जो राज्याधिकार आता हो उसे ऑटोक्रेसी कहते हैं. So autocracy is the right answer, a government by the nobles. Here is your next question. Anything written in a letter after it is signed. Let me repeat. Anything written in a letter after it is signed. A. Posterity. B. Postdiction. C. Postscript. D. Corrigendum. Corrigendum. So, let us try to understand the meanings of the above four words. Posterity का मतलब भावी पीढ़ी. Postdiction का मतलब construction of past conditions or events using present conditions. Postscript का मतलब अनुलेख. पोस्टस्क्रिप्ट का मतलब अनुलेख. कॉरिजेंडम का मतलब शुद्धि पत्र, यानी कोई भी किताब छापने के बाद अगर उसमें कुछ गलत पहचानते हैं तो नेक्स्ट एडिशन में एक शुद्धि पत्र जोड़ा जाता है उस किताब में, उसे कॉरिजेंडम कहते हैं. So your right answer is C. Postscript. The meaning of postscript is anything written in a letter after it is signed.